Okay, welcome to Gold's Garage. Today, June the 8th, I think, and this is my latest project. It's going to go out of here, and the owner's not around, so I can't get him in the video, so I'm going to just do this all by myself. So this is a 427, and it's going in another second Chevelle I've had in a month. Another 72 Chevelle, a beautiful blue with the white stripes, and it's going to be a nice driver. It's got a 4-speed transmission and a 355 rear end. And it's going to run real nice. So this is a street motor. This motor originally was in a 1969 Corvette, and it's been totally rebuilt, a blueprint rebuild job. And one of the big features is we've turned it into a roller cam engine, and so made all the conversions. We got the Cloy's roller cam timing cover adjustment device on there, and everything went together. We had a nice startup with this engine. And I got to deliver it this afternoon, so just a short video. I'm going to start it up and let you hear how nice it runs. I took the mufflers off today so you can get the full song. So. Okay, just wanted to get that documented for my customer, and we're going to deliver this motor today, and he'll be burning rubber anytime soon. Thanks for watching.